When are we gonna go riding?
Huh?
When are we gonna go riding? All right.
I'll let you know.
All right. All right, everybody. This here's my little buddy Ty. As you can see, he's an AT-GAT guy. And what do we got here, Ty?
So what we got here is a 2022 CRF 125F. It's got about 15 to 20 hours on it, and we got some new grips on it and stuff, and we're gonna go take a ride around the block.
Right on. Yeah, and your dad, he's got himself
A 250F.
a CRF 250F
2024.
2024. Now this is a nice little bike, and hopefully I'm getting everything in the view. But yeah, this is my little buddy Ty. He lives across the street over there, and I can't even remember how long it's been, but I don't know, 5, 6, 7 years ago, his dad did the welding on my exhaust for the DR. So we're gonna take a spin around the block, and we'll get going. And by the way, guys, this is electric or kickstart. But right now he's in kickstart mode because he killed the battery. Yeah, and we got the aftermarket handguards on here. Yeah, it's a nice little bike. All right, let me fire up the Mighty DR and we'll take a spin around the block. Go ahead and start it, Ty. I want to show these guys. This thing starts first kick. Just disregard. There we go. Nice. All right, cool breeze. We'll just go around the block. Remember whenever we made that ride that one time?
Yeah.
We'll just take a loop around, go by that house that burnt down, and then just kind of hang a U in and come back in here.
Okay.
Is that all right with you?
Yep.
I'll follow you, man. My man cave is a mess. It's driving me up a wall. I already did my pre-flight. Let me check my temp. It'll be okay. Let's roll. So, you know, you guys don't worry at all. He's got his license, registration, proof of insurance. Yeah, everything's 100% legal. Guarantee it. Oh, and by the way, guys, may the 4th be with you. So yeah, Ty's a good little guy. Me and his dad are pretty tight, and everybody in the neighborhood helps each other. I think we're gonna turn here, so I got my blinker on for him. Yeah, he's a good little rider, and pretty soon we'll throw the bikes in the truck. Well, those guys will throw their bikes in the truck, and we're gonna head out to Canyon Raceway. All clear. We'll head out to Canyon Raceway here in a wee bit. Not today, but sometime soon. We're fixing on. Yeah, that guy's house burnt down. Well, it's ruined. Big fire. Anyways, we're gonna go to Canyon Raceway, get a little trail activity in. Let's see what he's doing. No stop sign here, but wise decision. All right, off we go. So there's Ty kicking ass. Be careful, little brother. Yeah, that's a good little bike. And of course it's a Honda, so it'll run forever. Good lad. All right. There's a little 5-speed, 1 down, 4 up. Just a great little trail bike. It's perfect for him too. I mean, the size is perfect. The size is perfect. Well, if I could figure out neutral, that'd be good. All right, little buddy. Right on. I'll do some editing and put this up on YouTube. I'll send your dad a text. It'll take several hours, but I want everybody in the YouTube universe to think about something. You're only allowed to ride your motorcycle when?
You have your helmet on.
And wasn't there something about keeping your grades up?
Yeah.
Okay. So you've been doing good there, and you've been keeping your grades up, and then that way you can ride your pride and joy. All right. All right, Ty, I will chat with you later, and I'll let your dad know when it's ready, and I'll have to send you a link to it or something like that, like an email or something or other. All right, brother, I'll see you in a wee bit. All right, take care, guys. Right on. That's my little buddy Ty. All right, back in the man cave.